Alright, it's going.
The ice is supposed to be 4 inches thick before you walk on it, so we're gonna check the thickness of the ice with a drill bit.
You see that?
Right here, it's about 3.5 inches, so pretty close.
Oh, now it's loud.
Yeah, it's getting really loud.
Getting louder. Oh. What was that?
You see that one?
Yeah. Is that because of the crack?
Yeah, that one started to crack.
Yeah, you can see it, Dad.
Yeah. You can see the crack that one started. Whoa, you hear that?
Yeah. You just gotta go for it. Jump in. What?
There's how thick the ice is. Forgot my waterproof gloves. Brr. These are not waterproof, so it's not gonna do much good. Here's how thick the ice is right now. It is 4 inches, so it is thick enough to walk on.
Are you gonna jump in?
No.
Why? You said you were.
No, I thought I was.
Why aren't you? Yeah, but that's the lame way out. Wait, are you done? Wait. Okay. Yeah.
That's not super thick there.
Alright, are we done? My hands are hurting.
On the camera now.
Oh shoot. How are we gonna get that up? Camera's moving too. Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where? All right, where is it? Yep. So, that is how thick the ice is. Woo! Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
And make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.